just need to know where you are now. That is the only way you will know how to get to where you are going. Dressmakers and friends, how are you all doing today? Welcome back again on the channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about navigating 2025 as a fashion designer. First of all, let me ask, how are you all doing? The year has just begun and there's been a lot of how do I go about this or that in the atmosphere. Okay, so I'm here to give you a few tips to calm you down and to set you like in motion and with a vision. So the first thing we want to all understand is fine. A number of people are creating vision board, and I'm also going to encourage you to create vision board of what you want to see in 2025. But the first step to creating that is to first of all ask yourself the question, where am I right now? A number of people are in different places at different times, and if you try to compare yourself with them, it's going to be a blow for you, because you are comparing yourself with somebody that is on another level in life. Even though you guys are friends, even though you are both fashion designers, comparison will always steal your joy. The truth is that there are so many things you should be thankful for, but because you focus on another person's achievement, those things will just be there and you will work yourself up, and then you will not even be able to see the good things that even you have by yourself. So first thing you want to do is to stop comparing yourself. So that is the first thing. Know where you are right now and note where you are. It's a thing to know where you are, it's another thing to note where you are. Now, after you have been able to know where you are, the next thing you want to do is to now draw out that plan. That is when you now want to go ahead to create that vision. Simply put, just write out what you want for the year 2025. Write it down, and after you write it down, you need to first know, where am I right now and how do I get to where I am going? First thing, stop comparing yourself. Secondly, you need to write down the goal of where you are going for this year 2025. Now, while you are writing that goal down, please write down small steps that you can use to get to where you are going to achieve it. Okay, so if your goal is, you know that, okay, you are working from home, maybe as a fashion designer, all right, maybe you have a store that is small and you want to increase the capacity of the store, all right, so you need to know where you are, and where you are, everyone's where they are is different, if I'm going to put it that way. Okay, so where you are right now, you need to note it and then know what you need to do. If what you want to do is to get a sewing machine, probably the one you are having right now is not good enough, what do you need? For you to buy a sewing machine, you will need money. How do you save up? What do you have? Okay, so you need to write down the goal. I want to buy a sewing machine. All right, how much can you save? When do I want to get the sewing machine? I want to get the sewing machine in the first quarter, second quarter, or third quarter of the year. Okay, let's say I want to get a sewing machine for the month of June. Now, how much is the cost of a sewing machine? Do you want a domestic sewing machine or do you want the industrial sewing machine? How much can I save between now and June? Now, how many people do I have that if I share this vision of I want to buy a sewing machine, they could maybe support you with some 50k, with some 100k, okay? Then share that vision with them on time. And then those little steps, before you know, you would say that by June, you will definitely get that sewing machine. All right, so somebody else's vision might be to get a phone, a better phone that could do maybe a good picture, a good video quality. So somebody else, where, like, you just need to know where you are now. That is the only way you will know how to get to where you are going. First thing I said to you is stop comparing yourself. Second thing is write down the goal of where you're going this 2025 and know what to do to get to them. Some other persons, you may need to like double your hustle, like increase your capacity, take more order. Some other person could be that this year they need to employ more staffs, or even some other person could be you just need to employ only one tailor to add to yourself so that you guys can work together, increase the production so that the revenue, the money that comes into your business can actually increase. So that could be some other person's goal. Okay, so whatever your goal is, please write it down and write down the small steps that you need to engage to get to your goal. Little steps for some other person might be to take a few online courses so that you learn and then you do your business at the same time. All right, so this video, I just made it to be a very quick one. I cannot wait to see all of us striving and getting good at everything that we are doing in this year 2025. Like, you know that this video is a little bit unusual. I just came to encourage you and to tell you to relax, because I see a lot of fashion designer, we see top brand and we are like agitated. Oh, when am I going to get it? When am I going to get? Let me tell you, those top brand that you see, they are probably at maybe like at the middle point of their life. Some of them have started work, they have started this business for like 30 years. Some are there 20 years, some are there 15 years, some are there 10 years. And you that you just graduated fashion school this year, you are agitated. Come on, what are you agitated for? Relax yourself. Just draw out the plan. Make sure the plan is measurable and achievable. There's no need to be stressed. There's no need for the rush. Just take your time, draw out the goal, Write out small steps that you need to engage to achieve them. And I'm so confident that in no time you will get to where you are going. In this year 2025, for myself, for dressmakers like you, and all of my friends, I don't want anybody to be worried or agitated. I just want you guys to write down the plan, write down the little steps, and follow through with the little steps to achieve the goal that you have written down. I hope this video has been impactful. I hope I've been able to drop one or two things to keep you focused for the year. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll also like to chat with you in the comment section. So leave me a comment and then we chat. I can't wait to see you again in this next video.